Hi Texans, this is a video to help you add your picture to your syllabus page in Canvas. So before I started this video, I saved a picture to my desktop in order to be able to access that picture to add to my page. So I'm going to open up my Canvas page, and I'm actually opening Kristen's because hers is much more like yours. And I'm going to go to her Reading Grade 3 page. Now you're going to go to whatever your course content page is that you need to edit. I'm going to open up that page, and you can see here on the right that her page is unpublished, and it also has some things that need to be updated. And so we're going to click here on the pencil that says edit. And I'm going to first work on changing the picture. So she has a picture here of the panda. That's the default picture. I'm going to go ahead and click on it and then backspace. Now you can see that I have the cursor here still in my same place. In order to get her picture to go onto this screen, I have to upload it. So I'm going to do images, and I'm going to upload a new image. And I'm going to choose a file. Now this is where I'm going to take her picture from my desktop. So this has already been done before I go into my Canvas course to try to pull the picture. It has to be saved on my desktop. So I am going to click on her picture and select open. Now it's asking for alternative text. I'm just going to put in the words teacher photo. This is for if you're using a screen reader and you need to have something there for a screen reader to read. It's going to save it in the course files, and I'm going to go ahead and push upload. Now it made a fairly large photo here, so I can change the size of the photo by clicking on it and dragging those corners like what I would do on any other photo, just to make it a little bit smaller. I can also change the alignment if I'd like to make it align left, align center, or align right if you'd like to do that. Now I'm going to click out of that box. Her photo is there, but she's going to want to update her information. So she would go here and update all of her, what type of teacher she is, her email and such. If I scroll down a little bit, you're going to want to update your class schedule. So you're going to want to add your times in and add, if it's reading block or ELA block or whatever, time is in your schedule there. And also for your special schedule, you're going to type in what time you have specials. Now, once I've updated everything on that syllabus page that I want, including this little blurb, you'll want to update that. I'm going to click Update Syllabus. Now, after I've done that, I will, after she's updated everything, you want to come up here to the top right where it says Publish. Now, once she clicks this, it is live for the world and ready to go. Currently, it is unpublished, which means if a parent or a student were to go into their Canvas, they would not be able to see the reading page. Once it is all fixed up, you will click here in the top right for Publish, and your syllabus page will be ready to go. Please let me know if you have any questions.